A new business owner in Belmar, New Jersey called Cowleys after finding a large amount of ants in his kitchen. When we arrived, we inspected the area and noticed a group of ants feeding on the crumbs all over the meat slicer. This is why it's important to make sure that all the kitchen equipment is thoroughly cleaned. We then followed their trail to a nearby window and noticed that they were squeezing through a tiny gap. When we went outside and inspected, we noticed that the molding around the window was damaged and had several gaps in it. We cleaned the area and then sealed the gap on the interior and exterior of all the windows in the kitchen with a premium waterproof adhesive. Next, we applied an ant gel bait throughout the cracks and crevices in the kitchen and treated the exterior with a liquid non-repellent and a granular bait. When the ants come in contact with any of these products, they'll transfer it among one another. Shortly after, the entire colony is eliminated.